Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Locate the 5 fasteners underneath the fender flares. In a counterclockwise direction, rotate them each about a quarter turn, or until they stop. The fender flares are now only being held on by clips. You just have to pull outward on the fender flare to remove it. It does take a little force, but it will come off. This process is the same for the front or rear fender flares, regardless if they are regular size or the larger Sasquatch package size. Reinstalling them is the reverse of the removal procedure. It's really that easy. See you later.